hold on, it's 5:15 p.m. In Toronto. Yeah, and Vancouver is like I think 3 hours behind. I think I'm not very sure. And we will reach at Vancouver time. I think 7:20. Yeah, so it's a budget airline. I think. Yeah. Anyway, this is Daniel. He's late. We will update y'all about how our flight goes. How do I stop it? Hi guys, we have successfully landed after 5 hours of flying. Just so you know, Dan was just doing his work the entire time. He either study or he sleep. Everyone say boo. Boo! I was reading and then I played phone games. Unfortunately, I forgot to download anything to watch. Yeah. And I think now I'm gonna go get our baggage. Hopefully nothing is broken and hopefully our baggage is there. Hi, today we are on the way to our Airbnb. This is Daniel, he's driving. He's pretty good at it actually. See, I didn't insult you this time. And then behind we have Coming and Raiza. Pretty cute. Not pretty cute, very cute. Very chill, very chill, very chill. So now we are driving, it's very dark. It's very scary, it's like Criminal Minds vibes. Just saying. And yeah, eating. Can I have food too? Are you eating? Are we eating?
I don't know what you're the car.
I don't know, Mr. D.
As long as I don't have to pay extra lah.
Lol. Okay, so yeah, driving. Okay, bye. Say bye then.
Bye. Okay guys, let me show you. Okay, it's kind of completely dark. Maybe we'll redo this in the morning, but like this is what the house looks like when you go in, when you walk in. And then there's this angry sticker that says remove shoes. So we remove all our shoes over there. Remove all our shoes and then we switch to slippers. Yeah, and then this is Daniel. Hello. And then we come to the house. This says do not open. Don't know what's inside there. So yeah, then okay, I show you all the first part. So there's this like really nice pretty living room. Wow, big, damn big TV. I think even bigger than me. Yeah, and the place is damn nice, bro. Okay, wait, I'm pretty sure. Wow, you can see the outside from here. Wow, damn nice. Okay, but I need to show y'all like in the morning, you know. Then we should probably redo this tour in the morning. Yeah. Anyways, this is like dining table kind of vibes. Yeah. And smartphone Wi-Fi tab. I'll probably try this later. This is the table, and then we have a little fridge. I hope we can take ice because I want ice. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna try the crushed ice later. I want some crushed ice. Woo! And then there's this like table here. And oh my god, there's like a very nice kitchen. They gave us some like ground coffee type shit. And there's this kitchen. Yeah, I think there's a dishwasher and microwave also. Wow, actually this place got a lot of stuff. Okay, wait, now I go take y'all to the rooms. Okay, so we have this like cleaning station, laundry. Yes, laundry. Oh, let me off the light. Energy saving. Okay, then this is room number 1. I think the girls will be taking this room. We're not.
You will see a better room.
Okay. So apparently the girls are not taking this room. But yeah, okay, there's this like pretty nice place. Let me show you the toilet. Wow, the toilet look damn atas, bro. That is me.
You have not seen the best.
Okay. I need to go geographically, you know. Wow, got bathtub, got like body conditioner, shampoo. Great, because I didn't bring any of them. And wow, actually the toilet look like damn place, yeah. Whoa. Why?
I'll hunt your reaction later.
Is it this one?
No, you see first.
Okay, I see this one first. Okay, this is room 2. We got a cute little like table situation. Oh my god. Wardrobe and like bed kind of vibe. Okay, oh my god. Okay, this is the master bedroom, so the girls are gonna be taking this room. Look at this place. Wow, we got
private
our very own toilet. Oh my god.
Privacy for Raiza.
And Charmaine. We can shower together if you want.
Slay.
Oh, over here also got body soap. Wow, slay. Wow, this one got face and hand soap. Wow, even more slay. Wow, this damn slay. Wow, look at this. Wow, bathtub. Wow. Okay. Wow, and look at this cute little giraffe. Look. This is Mr. Giraffe.
What's the difference?
Yeah, I'll take this side if you take that.
Yeah, sure. Slow. Okay, yeah. Stop.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the next vlog number 7. And now we are in a totally different place. We're actually in Vancouver, British Columbia. So this is the start of recess week or reading week, is what they call it here. So it is the week before the midterms. So normally students will go and study and prepare for their midterms, but because we are on exchange, we are on a pass-fail basis. So studying isn't our main priority, which is actually to experience the culture here in Canada. So we will be spending about 1 week in Vancouver. So today is Friday, the start of reading week, and we'll be staying here until next week Friday, which will be taking a flight back to Toronto. Yeah, so we just touched down today at 9 p.m. and then we proceed to the company Budget, which is a car rental company, and we actually rented a mid-sized SUV. So it was actually really coincidental that the person who is servicing us at the counter is actually a Singaporean himself. Yeah, so he just RO'd, I think, last year. Yeah, and he was giving us like kaki lang discount and giving us introductions about the place, and our original price that we estimated for the car was very expensive because this week is a long weekend for Canadians, so it coincides with Family Day. So there are many Canadians having long weekends, and this drive the prices up really high. So him giving us discount was actually a great help. It cut down our cost from about $1,000 for a week to about $600, which is really good. And he gave us a free upgrade in the car. He was very friendly and can hear all the Singaporean accent. Yeah, there were a few Singaporeans working there as well, so they were just chatting with us, and they spent quite long in the airport, actually getting to know more about Vancouver. So driving here takes about an hour. The roads were really dimly lit and the lines were barely visible. I think the paint of the road markings at certain points were faded. Most of the time, I'm just following the car in front and playing guess the lane. But don't worry, I'm driving below the speed limit and always be very careful. So this is my first time driving for a very long distance. It's about 55 minutes. But luckily, the highway is a straight road, so it's pretty safe. And lastly, right now it is the end of day 1, sort of. It's more like 5 hours into Vancouver, and we are staying the night in this Airbnb. So we are just thinking what to do next, because this whole week is a raining week. So our plans are a little bit fogged. Yeah, I think it's been a long day. It's been a 5-hour flight, and everyone's a little bit tired. So I will just cut the video here, and I'll see you in the next one.